In order to measure a pattern, we first need to create a pattern. Here I will be creating a random pattern using the line submenu. In that, I will be using normal line, horizontal line and vertical line. Firstly, I will be create a tracing and then using the extract option, I will get the pattern. In order to draw a line, click on the line icon in the toolbar, or you can access that from the draw menu by selecting the line submenu, and there you can find the normal option. Here the length and the angle are predefined by clicking on the checkbox of length and angle and mentioning their respective values. This is done in order to create a nice and a symmetrical image. Now click on the working area to mark the first point. As you will move the cursor a little bit, you can see a line of that particular length and angle will be shown. Click again to mark the second or the last point of the line. Now the angle will be changed here in order to create another line. From the first point itself, click again to mark the first point of the second line. Move the cursor a little bit and you will see another line of that particular length and angle will be shown. Click again to mark the second point of the second line. Now I will be creating two vertical lines, and for that I will be accessing the vertical option from the menu tablet itself by clicking on the back button. Here you can see the vertical option. From the second point of the lines previously made, I will be creating a vertical line. This can simply be done by clicking on the square box that is there at the end of those previous lines and click again on the working area. Since the length of those particular lines are already predefined, so the line will be formed of that particular length. Now I will be joining those vertical lines using the normal option. The normal option can again be accessed from the menu tablet. Uncheck the checkbox of length and angle and click on apply. Click on the square box of the vertical line and join it with the square box of the another vertical line. Click again to complete the tracing. Now use the extract option to extract the pattern. Click on the largest option, give a name to the pattern that will be extracted and click on apply. Hover the cursor over the pattern and you will see the green line has been changed to dotted red-green line. Single click on that and you will see it has been changed to yellow colored line, indicating that a pattern has been extracted. Now, since the pattern has been extracted, we can measure the pattern segment. For that, you can access the measure option from the measure icon in the toolbar or from the draw menu by selecting the measure submenu, and there you can find the option of pattern segment. Select that. You will see a dialog box here. Now, in order to measure a pattern segment, select a segment between 2 points by single click on one of the square, dragging your cursor to another square and single click again. And there you can see the pattern segment has been measured and the values are being presented in the dialog box.